Hello friends, my name is Dr. Rafiq Dar and your brain coach, and today I'm going to discuss very important topic, and this is called psychological trauma. It's also called as emotional trauma. So in many cases it happens in your surrounding, your friends, family members, relatives. They might be suffering, even you. They might be suffering from psychological trauma, but they are unable to identify. Because if you're not going to identify psychological trauma, and obviously you will be unable to manage that issue. So, let me tell you 4 important signs of psychological trauma. I must say, these are the hidden signs and you can decode very easily. These 4 psychological signs I am going to share with you. The number 1 psychological sign is overreaction over minor things. So if you are overreacting even on very minor things, that means you may be suffering from psychological trauma. And this is why, because due to psychological trauma, your nervous system is already on. So when your nervous system is already on, that means on very small issue you will be overreacted. You will be frustrated, you will be angry. So this is the first hidden psychological sign that you may be feeling psychological trauma. You may be suffering from psychological trauma. And the second psychological sign is that there is emotional numbness. Emotional numbness means that you are not feeling any emotion, either negative emotion, either positive emotions. That means you are emptiness. I mean, no emotions. This is the reason because your nervous system is going to protect you, because nervous system is already busy in managing the psychological issues. So you are not feeling, your emotional center of the brain is on silent mode. That means you are not enjoying any even happy emotions. So this is called as emotional numbness. And the third thing is you have a fear of close relationship. You are not going to make new relationship because due to psychological trauma or emotional trauma, your trust center in the brain is not functional. That means you are not going to trust anymore. And the 4th psychological sign is that you are on constant self-blame. You are always saying, this fault is due to me, you are responsible for that, because due to emotional trauma or psychological trauma, you are feeling guilt and shame. And due to guilt and shame, you are always feeling negative, that you are responsible, and you are blaming yourself that you are responsible for everything. Even you are not responsible for that, but still you blame yourself. So these are the 4 psychological signs which may indicate that someone is suffering from emotional trauma. And yes, let me give you a very important tip. If you want to manage any psychological trauma, psychological intervention is really, really important. Like psychological intervention, CBT maybe help you, neuro-linguistic programming, but the most important thing is that hypnosis is the best approach to manage any psychological trauma, because when you are feeling trauma, when you are experiencing any trauma, that is basically present in your subconscious mind. And if you want to manage this psychological trauma, you need to go into the subconscious mind. And hypnosis is the best approach to access subconscious mind. But on top of that, if you will collaborate CBT with hypnosis that will give you more best result. And this new approach is called as CBT hypnosis, or you can say cognitive behavior therapy hypnosis. I hope you have liked this video, but still if you have any question, please write me in the comment section and definitely I will answer. Thank you.